Welcome to RogueLoop, where AI meets real-world applications. Today, a two-word trick that quietly exposes a flaw in every major AI model. And yes, it actually works. You're baking a cake, you realize you forgot to add sugar after putting it in the oven, and what should you do? Well, if you're a human, you're probably just going to be taking it out and fix it. If you're an AI, well, you'll often get vague, hedged, or outright wrong answers. Not because it lacks knowledge, but it loses the plot, really. This comes from a Google research paper. The core idea is almost insulting in its simplicity. Repeat the prompt, and you will get better answers. No clever prompting, no frameworks, just simple duplication. So let's take a look. Imagine that you have two versions. In version 1, you are baking a cake and you forgot sugar. After putting it in the oven, what should you do? That's what you ask. In version 2, you simply repeat it and then you say, you're baking a cake, you forgot sugar. After putting it in the oven, what should you do? Let me repeat that. Yes, you are baking a cake, you forgot sugar. After putting it in the oven, what should you do? It's the same prompt, same model. The second version is consistently sharper, more decisive, more correct. Here's why. The models are causal. They process text left to right, and as the paper states, past tokens cannot attend to future tokens. So your prompt isn't one coherent thing. It's a stream, and the model gradually forgets parts as it goes. That is the real problem. When you repeat the prompt, query, you're forcing the model to re-encode the same information. Now, the constraints show up twice, the questions show up twice, the logic has multiple chances to click, so to speak. You haven't improved the model. You've reduced its chance of missing the point. And the results are not marginal. From the paper, you can see that they tested across major models, 47 wins out of 70 benchmarks, not bad. 0 losses, that's important. And even more so, no extra latency, no longer answers. It's basically free. This also explains why reasoning models restate your question. They've learned on their own that repetition improves accuracy. You're just moving that trick earlier when it's faster. So next time your AI gives you a weak answer, don't rewrite the prompt. Just duplicate it, that's it. If you try this, I want to hear what breaks and obviously what suddenly works. Drop it in the comments, and if you want more practical, no-nonsense AI insights, well, subscribe to RogueLoop, where AI meets real-world applications. See you in the next one.